Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make volcano shrimp. This is a sweet, sticky but spicy shrimp recipe for all you shrimp lovers. So if you want to learn how to make it, stay tuned. First we're going to wash our shrimp with vinegar, then pat dry. Then we're going to season with all-purpose seasoning, paprika, garlic and herb seasoning, Mrs. Dash, and finally salt. Then we're going to combine with our wooden spoon. In a small bowl, we'll combine 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and finally a 1/4 teaspoon of fish seasoning. Now we're going to take our seasoned shrimp and coat them in our seasoned flour. Be sure not to overcrowd the bowl, as the moisture from the shrimp can turn our flour into a batter. When the shrimp have been coated with flour, transfer them to a dry bowl. Then repeat the process for the rest of the shrimp. In a deep enough pot, preferably an enamel or a cast iron or Dutch pot, heat enough oil to deep fry the shrimp. Be sure not to overcrowd the pot. We're going to fry them for 3 minutes, flipping them halfway through. 1.5 minutes have passed, so we're going to flip them. Finally, 3 minutes have passed, so we're going to take the shrimp out and place them on a plate lined with paper towel. We do this to remove the excess oil. For this recipe, we're going to need brown butter. So in a pan, heated on medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Swirl the pan around until the desired color is reached. We're looking for a golden brown. Add 2 cloves of diced garlic and allow them to saute for about 20 seconds. A 1/4 cup of brown sugar and incorporate it with the butter and garlic. Add a mixture consisting of 3 tablespoons hot sauce and 3 tablespoons sweet chili sauce. Finally, add 1/2 cup of any jam or jelly of your preference. I use peppery ginger jelly as it really complements the flavor of the hot sauce. Keep the pan on medium heat and stir until everything melts together. We want the sauce to reach a thin, syrupy consistency, looking like this. Now we're going to add our shrimp. And flip them in the sauce until they are fully coated. We're just about finished now. Toss the shrimp a final time in the sauce, then plate. Finally, garnish with parsley and pair with your favorite side dish. My personal favorite is white rice. If you've made it to the end of the video, I just want to say a big thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see me do next. Until next time, walk good.